Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Vaibhav. So friends, welcome to the valuation on capital gain, income tax purposes, indexation and case studies on different approaches. So good morning, friends. Respected participants, distinguished experts, and my dear colleagues. It is with great pleasure and the enthusiasm that I welcome you all to today's session on the important and subject of valuation on capital gain, income tax purposes, and indexation with case studies on different approaches. As the Managing Director of CEV IAF RVO, I feel privileged to speak before such a distinguished group of registered valuers and professionals who play a crucial role in the smooth functioning of our economic system. The realm of capital gain taxation and application of indexation is complex, yet fundamental to the work that we do as valuers. In an ever-evolving legal and economic landscape, having a deep understanding of these subjects is not just beneficial but essential for ensuring that the valuations we provide stand the test of regulatory scrutiny and professional integrity. Capital gain and income tax are not merely theoretical concepts for accountants or tax professionals. They are directly linked to real-world decisions involving investment, real estate transaction, and business valuations. Whether we are working on valuing a business, assessing the worth of property, or providing opinions on shares and securities, understanding the capital gains taxation become pivotal. For those of us in this room, the knowledge of how capital gain taxes are calculated, how they differ based on asset class, and how various exemptions apply forms the foundation of our daily practice. The recent updates on tax laws, particularly the introduction of new provisions and adjustment to the rate, demand that we continually refresh and upgrade our knowledge as a valuer. Indexation is a key tool for valuers. The critical element that distinguishes the taxation of capital gain over time is indexation. The idea that inflation erodes the value of money over time is nothing new, and indexation serves as a mechanism to adjust the cost of acquisition of assets in line with inflation, ensuring that taxpayers are not unfairly taxed on gains that are merely the result of inflation increases. As valuers, we frequently encounter situations where indexation plays a significant role, whether in context of real estate, securities, or business valuation. We must ensure that adjustment we make for indexation, we are accurate and in line with the prescribed indices, so that our valuation stand up to the highest standard of tax law compliances. To ensure that principles we discuss today are not just theoretical, we will dive into relevant case studies, which I believe will prove practical insights to how these concepts apply in real life situations. These examples will serve as a guide to how capital gain calculations, income tax considerations, and indexation work in harmony with our daily valuations. We will be reviewing scenarios involving real estate transactions, business valuations, transfer of shares, and other investment, with the focus on how we as valuer can navigate these transactions while adhering the tax provisions. By the end of this session, I am confident that you will all leave with a much clearer understanding of how to efficiently apply these tax concepts to your work. Of course, professional work. As registered valuers, our responsibility goes beyond merely assessing the value of an asset. We are stewards of financial accuracy and integrity. Our work directly impacts on the way tax liabilities are calculated, business are valued, and investments are assessed. We play a crucial role in ensuring fairness, transparency, and consistency in the financial world. In conclusion, I urge each and every one of you to engage actively during this session, ask questions, share insights, and most importantly, take away the valuable knowledge that will elevate your practice and strengthen the impact you have on the professional world. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to all the speakers, observers, faculties appointed for this session, observers appointed for this session, and participants who have made this session possible. Your dedication to continuous learning and professional development is what drives our industry forward. Once again, thank you everyone for your time and participation. I look forward to a highly productive and insightful session today. Let us now begin our discussion on a vital topic, that is case studies and indexation and capital gain. The faculty for today's session is none other than my senior professor and my senior colleague and CEO of the organization, Dr. Rajvinder Singh. A few words about Dr. Rajvinder Singh. He is MTech in structural engineering. He is PhD in structural engineering. He is having a diploma in rail transport and management. He is a certified gold appraiser from MSME, TDC, PPDC. He is having 6 months course in real estate valuation. He is a master in valuation. He is registered as independent directors. He is registered in independent directors data bank, IDDB of Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs. He is a visiting faculty in various engineering colleges and other institutions. Without wasting much time, I would like to request Dr. Rajvinder sir to please take the charge. Good morning and welcome, sir.
Your voice is not coming, Rajvinder sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good morning, friends.